Hello guys, I'm Melbourne Trains Guy. Today's video is a little off topic about trains. It's basically an introduction to my cat, Bolt. Say hello, Bolt. Just sitting in this chair. My dad says it's like his throne. Isn't it, Bolt? It's like your throne. It's a funny look you're giving me. Well, anyway, he's a cat. His mother, well, his birth mother was a common short hair cat, but just by looking at him, you can tell he's definitely got ragdoll in him. So whatever his birth father was, whoever it was, some other cat from my street, it must have been a ragdoll or a ragdoll cross or something like that. He's actually never left this street other than to go to the vet, cause he was actually born here, and then when he was a couple of weeks old we have had him, and basically we've had him for how long now, Bolt? 6 years? Yeah, that's about right. Just over 6 years. He just turned 6 in February. He's been to the vet a couple of times. He doesn't really like it. Don't worry, Bolt, you're not going to the vet. No, you're not. He looks reassured, doesn't he? He really hates the vet. When we go to the vet, he gets very anxious. The vets think he has a bit of anxiety when he comes to the vet. Don't you, Bolt? He's very friendly, though. He likes being patted. He likes cuddles. Quite placid. He's a very friendly cat, aren't you, Bolt? He's also pretty big, aren't you? Aren't you, Bolt? You want to scratch under your chin? Oh. He's a very friendly cat. Just like sitting in this little chair, like his throne. He really likes our garden. Most of his time he's outside, but sometimes he's inside. He's a very cute cat. He's been sick a couple of times, but I suppose everyone gets sick. And I've mentioned he really doesn't like going to the vet. Last time he was sick, he had an what did he have? He had an inflamed bladder, I think. Was having trouble weeing. We had to take him to the vet and he had to stay overnight. And then he peed blood. And we were worried. Yeah, and then he has to go on antibiotics and anti-inflammatory and all that. But now he's better, aren't you? Aren't you, Bolt? You're better. Yes. You recovered so quickly, didn't you? Anyway, that's an introduction to my cat.